Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. I woke up this morning to this beautiful sunrise on a wintry snowy day, and so I decided to make a yummy toasty baked French toast sticks with a yummy berry smoothie. So let's get started with the recipe. First, I have preheated the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, I have taken 4 large eggs, 1.5 cups of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I have whisked in all the ingredients thoroughly. Now to make the baked French toast sticks, I have taken 8 bread slices and I am cutting them into 3 even strips like this. Thick cut bread is best for French toast sticks. Now I have cut in all the bread slices into even strips and lined a baking tray with the parchment paper, and also the egg and the milk mixture is ready. Now dip in each bread strip into the egg and the milk mixture and shake off the excess and line it on the parchment paper like this. Now all the bread strips are ready to go into the oven now. Now bake these French toast sticks in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes first. After 12 minutes of baking, flip them over and bake it further for 15 more minutes. After 15 minutes of further baking with a total bake time of 27 minutes, our yummy French toast sticks ready to be served. Serve it warm with maple syrup or honey. Now to make the berry smoothie, I have taken 1 cup of blueberries and strawberries, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 cup each of walnuts and almonds, and blended them well. And here you go, yummy berry nutty smoothie ready. I enjoyed eating these baked French toast sticks with some honey and this yummy berry smoothie. Start your day with this yummy hearty breakfast and have a blessed day. If you liked my yummy breakfast combo recipe, please leave a comment below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.